Hello, family. It's V. You know, it is V's Thirsty Thursdays, and I made a special pineapple wine slushy for you. Now, this slushy has pineapple sangria, frozen pineapples, and a little bit of ice. This is a hot girl summer drink. Now, this is also a dedication to all of my friends who helped this channel reach 1,000. I love you all so much, and I want to share this special treat with you. It is hot outside, and you all are the best and the greatest ever. Come on and make this with me, family. You ready? Come on, it's V's Thirsty Thursdays. Mwah. Thank you so much. Peace and love. Okay, all my friends out there, I'm dedicating this video to you because you have made Let's Cook with Ease possible to reach the 1,000K. 1,000 people have helped us out, and I want to contribute this to you. Or not contribute, I'm sorry, I'm so excited. I want to dedicate this to you. Now, this is going to be a pineapple slush. It's a wine slush. So what I want to do first is tell you what we need. It's very simple. This is a pineapple sangria, frozen pineapple, and ice. So let's go ahead and get started because I don't want to waste anyone's time. Now I'm going to add some more of this when we're finished. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of this in here. Let's add some of our pineapples. You know, of course, it depends on how many people you're serving. Hey, you all, I'm going to tell you the truth. I was so happy and so excited and still celebrating. I want to tell you the reason why I haven't been on much is because I'm working full-time now. And my job is just so demanding. But I'm going to try and get better. Oh, this already smells incredible. Now this little thing tends to be really loud, so hang on tight. I love all of you so much. I appreciate you for hanging in there with me. Again, I'm going to help out as much as I can. Okay, let's go ahead and do... Let's take it out. By the way, you all, this is a really good machine if you like to make drinks or smoothies. Look at how thick that is. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. Okay, let's pour this in here. Here, you want some? It's so thick. Look at that. It's just, it won't even, look at that. Now I'm going to top this off with a little more wine. Just a little. Now I'm going to make this beautiful. You know, I have to test this out. Let me test it out real quick. Let me see. Oh my God. Let me make this beautiful for you. I'll be right back. Well, here we go, family. Cheers to you. Here, take a look at that. Oops, it's full to the max. Oh my goodness, you all. It would be so good if we could share this. Let me just say I love all of you truly and dearly. You all are the best. We are family. And I can't wait to see you again. Maybe when things get back to normal, we can have a meet and greet. I love each and every one of you, and thank you so much from my heart to yours. God bless you. Hugs and kisses, and blessings to you and your family. Peace and love from V. Let's cook with ease. Oh, don't forget, this is V's Thirsty Thursdays. Love you guys.